Manual massage. Clear channels, promote circulation, recommended duration, 10 minutes. Place the arms flat, apply some oil, and massage the outer side of the arms. Use the first web of both hands to push the outer side of the arm. Soothing technique. Warm the outer of the arm by rubbing it with bent fingers. Soothing technique. Place the arms flat with the inner side facing up, apply some oil, and massage the inner side of the arms. Use the first web of both hands to push the inner side of the arm. Soothing technique. Warm the inner side of the arm by rubbing it with bent fingers. Stroke arm to palm. Repeat on the other side. Wipe the operating area with a towel. Laser pad. Enhances body shaping and boosts metabolism. Parameters setting. Recommended mode, A. Recommended energy level, 3. Recommended working time, 20 minutes. Take a strap, select from short, medium, and long straps according to individual size, and fix it on the arm. Insert the laser pads into the strap. Let it work for 20 minutes. Turn off the instrument, remove the pads, release the strap, and finish. Take 1 to 2 sessions per week, with a complete course of treatment comprising 12 sessions. Contraindications: pregnancy and lactation, heart disease or wearing a pacemaker, unhealed surgical wounds or in the recovery phase, epilepsy, severe diabetes, hyperthyroidism or malignant tumors, skin disease or infectious disease.